We're going to build a multi-troop transport using 5 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 plate piece. And on the top front stud of that 1x2 plate piece, I'm going to grab this 1x1, 1x1 bracket piece. And what I want to do is just want to put that bracket on that front top stud and have the bracket stud facing forward. And this is going to be the front of our MTT. And on that back stud of our 1x2 plate, I'm going to grab a 1x1 half extended circle piece tile and put it so that the flat end of the tile is against the bracket and the rounded end is in the back, and that's going to kind of give us that more cylindrical shape of the droid transport. Now I've got that top stud of my bracket plate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create the body where all those droids are stored, and to do that I'm going to grab this cheese wedge slope and put it so that the thick end of the cheese wedge slope goes against that bracket in the front and slopes down to the back. And so once I've got that on, there's the body, I've got the shape of this, but I need to release them. And to release them, you've got that front cover that opens up, that front hatch that opens up and the droids come out. To create that hatch, I'm going to grab a 1x1 round tile piece and just put it right there on that stud of the bracket facing forward. And here's my completed multi-droid transport ship, or MTT, to drop off a whole bunch of battle droids on Naboo to invade.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.